Hello, my name is Barry Dodd, teaching the Fish Guide Service here in Central Texas. I wanted to spend a little time with you today and show a knot that I developed about a year and a half ago. Well, I guess it's about 2 years ago now. I call it the Dodd Knot. And what it is a knot where I can tie dissimilar materials together and different diameter lines. I use a lot of braided line, spectral line, and then I want to put a clear leader, fluorocarbon leader on it. And all the knots that I could find and everything that I've tried and used is either too big, too bulky, or it doesn't hold and it breaks. So I have come up with a knot, and I use Spectra line. This is by Line, and this is 12-pound, which I use on my spinning tackle, white so that I can see it better. And then for demonstrations today, I'm going to show you using the XXX copolymer, super copolymer that Line has in the high vis, and hopefully you'll be able to see that a little bit better. Okay, the two lines I have, this is your Line, Spectra braided line, 12-pound. This is your high vis Line copolymer that we're using today for demonstration purposes. The key to this is the beginning of this knot. What you want to do is you want to take and make you an overhand knot. That's all you have is an overhand knot here. And pull out enough material that you can wrap it around. So we have our overhand knot. Then we're going to take our braided line. We're going to take the braided line and put it through that knot and come down a ways. Again, you want enough because you're going to have to wrap it around. I find that if I take my finger and put in here, that holds that so that I can hold it together. I'm going to come down and have all of these pieces together here, but now I'm going to reach over and I'm going to get this braid here, and I'm going to hold this. Now I'm going to wrap this braid around all three of these 15 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I want to show you. This is just brought back. It's looped around here 15 times. I'm going to hold that and take this off of my finger. Once I get it off of my finger, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to move it right through the middle here. Hold this, take both of these ends, and I'm going to pull this down. Get it pulled down good. I let go of this little line here and carefully bring this, kind of hold your finger here so that it doesn't loop over the top. Now when you get it down here like this, you want to wet it. So I'm going to stick it in my mouth and wet it. Pull these back together, pull these over here to make sure that that knot is down. I'm going to reach up, grab this knot, and pull it back. That takes that knot and sticks it up underneath those wrappings. Then take this, drop this, wrap this around so you can get a good tight handhold, and you're going to pull this down good and tight, real tight. Be careful not to cut yourself. Now, if you'll zoom in on this knot here, I want to show you something. This knot is tapered. From the part that goes through your rod, which is this side over here, it's thinner. Then it tapers out thicker towards the knot end, which means it goes through your eyes almost effortlessly. So then all you have to do is you bring your clippers to you, and I use these boomerang clippers. I love these things, and I want to get it down as close as I can and trim the line. So I cut this line off here, then I take this tag in, which be sure you always cut the right one here. Get as close as you can and cut it off. Now, that is the knot. You can zoom in on it. You can see how small that knot is and how that it's tapered, and it looks just like a bullet that goes through. Very, very tiny knot, and it will not break. If it's tied right, that knot will not break, and you can use it for a long time. Thanks again for watching. This is the Dodd Knot. I believe that you're going to find this knot extremely effective and be a great knot in your arsenal of knots. Barry Dodd, Teaching the Fish Guide Service, and I'll put some more videos out later.